AMPX stock analysis and price predictions for this is Monday. Is Amprius Technologies stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. This is absolutely beautiful and pumping higher. I'm the only guy in the space that has actually done 43,000 videos over 5 years. I'm not even exaggerating that. It's all on my YouTube channel and documented. So how AMPX is looking like is that I genuinely am looking to just double down, buy more. You know what I mean? Like, I began buying when this was like $3.50, $3.50. That was sort of the idea. I wanted to expect the price to pull down, and then I got this quick little long, and I've been just, I mean, since then it's been just doubling down. You know what I mean? Like, that's that $3.93 at that time, and how this looks like is pre-market is already far higher, you know, than expected, which is totally fair. Again, still, if it supposedly comes down lower here before the, because now it's like 4 a.m, you know, if the price does pull down and gives me some sort of a double break, that's what I'm taking higher. Other than that, again, not gonna just force no buys or crazy longs just because, you know, I have FOMO or whatever. No, you can have FOMO, but you cannot act upon it. You know what I mean? So if you want to get my money making emails and insights free, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.